questions with the candidate. My name is Heather Schmidt, and I'm running for Camarillo City Council, District 4. We ask people living in and outside of the district to submit questions about issues that are important to them. Today's question is about healthcare. You call yourself the public health and safety candidate. Meanwhile, your opponent is the director of the Dignity Health Community Board. What do you believe with regards to healthcare in our community? We have a healthcare crisis in this town. We should not have to go to neighboring towns to see a doctor or to get a COVID-19 drive-up test, especially during a pandemic, especially with the number of seniors that we have. Over the last decade, our visits to primary care physicians have been on a marked decline, and our patient-doctor ratio is now an abysmal 1,300 to 1. Meanwhile, we are in the middle of a pandemic, and our nurses are being asked to reuse their PPE. It is worth noting that while my opponent may be the director of whatever board he's the director of, a large portion of my support base and financial donors are healthcare workers. I also have garnered the support of the nurses and their union. I believe that this is because it is unconscionable that in the middle of a pandemic, leadership in this city is leaving them effectively hung out to dry. It is the City Council's obligation to address this and proactively reach out to bring more resources to our community. All of it. I would like to see that we develop a platform for people to anonymously report incidences that they are experiencing in Camarillo, whatever their workplace is, without fear of retribution or backlash. We cannot continue to just assume that because we haven't heard there's a problem, that everything's going well, or that someone else in the county is going to handle it. Healthcare is a really important issue, and the pandemic just showed it to us. But if we're looking at it from a longitudinal perspective, it's been an issue that's been growing all along. Thank you so much for the question. This is a very important issue to me, maybe even the most important. If you have other questions, though, please reach out at schmidtforcamarillo.com. You can also get more information about the campaign, get info about joining or volunteering, or just peruse around a little bit. Thank you again for coming.